Another banger. Make a phone, make a phone, 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 make a phone, make a keep on the phone, phone, phone. Your body kakara, make a phone, 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 on a make it.
If I can't have you
You look like
tonight,
I'm
gonna hold on
fine,
to
fine,
you.
oh, forget it.
I'm falling apart and you'll never know. It's all I think of when I'm alone. And if I'm free, why do I feel so bound to you? Bound to you.
Hi guys, welcome to another vlog where we explore beautiful British Columbia, Victoria. You guys, we are going for a massage at Cotton Massage here inside Victoria, so stay tuned. And this is Alice, Mary's big sister. Hey, where are we?
Ring the doorbell.
So guys,
No, do it inside. Do it here. Just so
I
that
did
it's
when I was coming.
copyright.
Let me know if I'm saying I'm confused.
That music is really loud. You should
I'm
do
about to
it
get-
outside.
Hey, no, it's not like me to wanna say a while, but I guess something's different with you tonight. 'Cause I find that I'm missing you in my mind before I leave you. And I know that I'm wasting time, but I don't know how to be this inclined. I feel like it's wasting all the time, not usually me. I'm not the type to get intertwined, but you've made a point to stick in my mind. Can't make it stop, but you know I've tried. Guess I believe got no control. I'm not usually like this. I have crushed before.
Hi guys, listen. So we just finished the massage. And hey guys, when the lady first took off my clothes, like took off the towel from my body, she was leaving my buttocks like this. Pra, 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 pra. Nice body. She's like, so much hair. You have so much hair. Hey guys, she almost bust my buttocks. She was using her elbow to bust my bubbles. After we finished, my body is in pains. So I don't even know whether I liked it or I did not. I cannot tell right now. Maybe after tomorrow, I'll know whether I liked it or not. But say thank you, Mary, in the comments. Okay? Say thank you, Mary, for sponsoring your friends on this trip. Mary is so rich, you guys. She's rich. So for the rest of the day, we're about to go explore the city of Victoria. So stay tuned. We might go to the museum, go to their uptown, which is technically downtown, but they say uptown. So stay tuned, don't change the dial. Hope you're enjoying this vlog. Like, comment, share, subscribe.
Just can't fight you anymore. Why can't you fix me? Why can't you fix me? Why can't you fix me?
Hi guys, we're finally in uptown Victoria and we are just exploring the city. You know, when you go to a new city, you have to walk around, get to know what's going on in the city, experience the city. You understand what I mean? So yeah, that's where we are. And they have a very, 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 very beautiful city. It looks like the UK. You guys, I saw a wild blueberry just like I saw it when I was in the UK. So this place is given, I think I understand why they call it British Columbia, because they've built the city to look like Britain or England. So still, I'm just gonna show. Hey, what did I just say? This is stay tuned.
My fans, no, stay tuned, my fans. Stay tuned, Sabi. Stay tuned. Tules. Yes.
Hey, English is hard though. Stay tuned. And I'm kind of saying, stay tuned and don't change the dial and explore the city of Victoria with me. Edinburgh.
But your heart is made of stone. All my tears, they fall like rain. Let you leave me here alone. I give you all I have inside. You pretend it's all pretend. Your empty eyes, they break me down. Will this torment never end? Endless pain, it's all I know. Hurt me more or let me go.
Guys, this city is so beautiful.
Change your ways.
It's sunny, it's not really cold.
Cold nights and cold
Amazing.
days, living in the shadow space. Guess I never find the light. Living in this endless night. Promises I never keep. Whisper lies when I'm asleep. Lonely, I'll just sit and weep. Life me now or let me leave. Endless pain, it's all I know. Hurt me more or let me go. In this game, my heart will lose. Change your ways or set me loose. Endless pain, it's all I know. Hurt me more or let me go. In this game, my heart will lose. Change your.
You guys, we came to Chinatown and it says it's Canada's oldest Chinatown. So from here onwards is Chinatown.
There's something different when you look at me. What was trust is now uncertainty. The shininess of the beginning has been sanded down to nothing. I can barely see the
Who
stars
is coming over there?
when you slip away.
You guys, we are about to enter the smallest alley in Canada, said by Mary Odere. If she's lying, then I'm lying, because I've never even heard Fantan Alley in my life. So let's go. Don't know if you can see the signage. Can you see? Fantan Alley. Okay. Slowly but surely.
Stroke the ember till it catches. Should I let it die or fight for you? So should I let it die or fight for you?
This place, if somebody catches you at night, there's no place for you except God. Can you climb this? Are you a criminal? No, in case somebody catches you in the corner, you have to run away. You're letting your intrusive thoughts win. You have to plan ahead. Salt Spring soap works. I was supposed to go to Salt Spring. Yeah.
Oh, do you know me at all? So should I let it die or fight for you? Or the burning flame that's turning cold? Let it burn out till it's ashes, or stoke the ember till it catches. Should I let it die or fight
See
for
the sun,
you?
the sunlight.
I'm getting tired of carrying our weight. You try to give up, I negotiate.
Now we are in Market Square, Esquire, vintage after death. So if you are looking for clothes for people that are dead, you can come here. It's on Pandora Street.
This is where you're going to see like really cute stuff, really nice quality stuff. That's stuff.
From people that are dead.
It doesn't matter. It's a charity store. That's what all charity stores do.
New information. Hi guys, today is the last day of our vacation
Come closer.
and we are going back home. I'm going to Saskatoon, Mary is going to Toronto,
Hi,
Leon is going to
guys.
Calgary. That's the life
Yeah.
of content creators. Everybody's talking at the same time.
Look, we're twinning. In case you've not noticed since the beginning of our trip, we're twinning. So we're heading back now home to our boy.
Fit check. So I have this top which says I'm fine.
And the big booty, the nice body.
I'll see you guys in Saskatoon or not.
Are you not going to show them the airport?
Yes.
Here, when we're at the airport, you have like 5 hours.
You guys, my flight is in 8 hours. So I'm gonna just hang around for 8 hours. That's a whole shift that I'm losing money on, but that's okay.
I wish that I could tell you in a song that you wouldn't have to struggle when the journey isn't long, but I get goosebumps sometimes thinking life doesn't always steer you right, cause sometimes you gotta fight. And I've been dodging haymakers, I parry jabs and toe tags and stalemate them. I just had my first real vacation where I didn't have to work and it was cool, but my brain couldn't play station. I vacated, I fake hated, I wonder if the other side's complacent. I'm still scared, I hope nobody notices. I still prepare for my Christmas bonuses. I'm unaware of when the fuck I'm gonna win, cause I've been taking shifts. American dream ain't making sense, and I ain't taking shit, not making amends with fake friends. See, my patience is running as thin as gray men. I've been taking hits, but making shots, now I got options. Took 10 years to have my hero start calling, only took 9 years to make my woman not an option. Lost
over
in
now.
the contradictions in my thoughts. When I wanna love hard, but too used to acting heartless. No love and
No,
no
but until she
mercy.
says it's over.
Cool, so we tryna act busy. I learned the rules from hard knocks and getting dizzy, that the evils don't come with locations, they come with me.
This sounds like you
Still
put
grind
this
gears in the 6-speed, still take the drive, nothing's ever fucking risk free. Don't push me, I'm close to the edge. I think the fight inside the dog probably got to my head. Fist in my hand, I'd rather fight than lose and be dead. So listen, I write you this letter. You don't have everything figured out, but shit still.
Scheduled for 8 p.m. has been changed to 9:30 p.m. Now 9:30. Now it's saying delayed. It's currently 5:21 p.m. So I'm gonna sit here for an extra 4 hours. I'll talk to you guys when anything comes up, because now at this point I don't even know what's going on and I'm the only one here. So they've now changed my connecting flight from Calgary to Saskatoon to 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. So this one from Victoria to Calgary, I'm gonna be in Calgary at 12 a.m. and I have to wait for 9 hours to take flight to Saskatoon. Now even if I was driving safe, it's 8:54 and I finally get to board. I'm so tired. You guys, I'm coming to hang at my friend's house because my next flight is in about 8 hours and it's so chilly out here. This is the only coat that I had on me, so I'm so cold. I wish I was living in like British Columbia, because Victoria has like really good weather. Now I'm back to this.
Guess there's no harm if I wanna hang around, 'cause I like everything that you do. It's wild. I'm used to games, usually got some things to hide, but now with you, and I know that I'm wasting time, but I don't know how to be this inclined. I feel like it's wasting all the time, not usually me.
Hey guys, I just woke up in Calgary. It's 6:35 a.m. and I'm going to the airport now to catch my flight to Saskatoon. Talk to you all when I get to Saskatoon. I got a new top. Can you guys tell? I'm wearing a shanty top. Is that
Wait. What do you like about this girl? I mean, there's like a lot of things. I'd probably start with.
I like the way she smiles. She got me staring for a while.
we are back to the cold?
Baby, Maybe in some conversation, she's my favorite notification. She knows how to dress for special occasions.